In today's video, we are going to look at how to connect to an RDP server from Linux. You can use this method to connect to whether you have a Windows RDP server or even an Ubuntu or any other Linux distro. So I'm going to use Kali Linux to demonstrate this, but you can use any other version of Linux that you have. So I open up my Firefox right here, and in the link in the description of this video there is a link that brings you to this page. So click on that link and then scroll down, and then you will see this little download button here. So we are going to use an RDP client which is known as Remina from opensource.com. Then we shall configure it depending on our version of Linux. So scroll down a little bit. Here are some instructions that you can use to install Remina depending on your distro. So basically you can see connecting to a Red Hat Enterprise Linux. All the instructions are here. So in my case, since I am on Kali, which is a Debian based thing, this method will also work for Ubuntu. Yeah, so let's open up our terminal and install Remina. Make sure you have root privileges in order to be able to install the package. So I'm going to run apt sudo apt install Remina. Hit enter, then I provide my sudo password. Okay, now the thing is being installed. Accept it, typing Y. Download the package and install it. It takes just a few minutes, a few seconds, doesn't even have to take a full minute. Okay, once Remina is now installed, come to our menu here and then we can search Remina, or you can even just type Remina in your terminal and hit enter, and Remina will open up. Right now we open Remina and then we click on this plus icon here to add an RDP server that we want to connect to. So here you put the server IP address or the host name. I'm going to use this server. I use a host name because I already configured it. Then I provide my username. This is a Windows server, by the way, that we are connecting to. Then you can go to the advanced tab and choose a quality of our connection. So if your network is bad, you can use poor, which will be give you a fast connection even if your network is slow. If your network is very good, you can go with best. So I'm going to choose medium, then go back to the basic here, and here the resolution we are going to first set it to use initial window size before we try another resolution. Now we save and connect. We accept the server fingerprint. And now we enter the credentials and click OK. Seems something is wrong again with the password. So I'm going to try with a different account. And then provide a different password. Say okay. Hopefully this time it works. Saying cannot connect to the server. Let me close and I'm going to try again. Yeah, as you can see, we are now in the Windows server, but our screen is very small. Even if you try to maximize this window, it is small. So we are going to click the connection settings. We first disconnect from here, then right click on this and click on edit, so that we are back to this page. Scroll down to the resolution, then you can click on custom, then you choose maybe this 1920 by 1080, which can fill my entire screen. You may have different options depending on your screen size, so I choose that, save and connect. Give it some time, and as you can see, now we are in the Windows server full, but you cannot see the desktop background because I chose the connection RDP medium. If you choose best, then you'll be able to see every other thing. So that's it about this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If the video was helpful, leave a like, and if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing.